Hello, this is Shorish from MBD Traders, and today I'll be unboxing the Tuf H370 Pro Gaming motherboard. As you can see, the packaging is quite durable, and so is the card inside. Sorry, board inside. My bad. So let's jump right into the unboxing of this motherboard. Let's see what's inside. The cables, a user manual, driver DVD, and oh, we have stickers here. This looks cool. And wow, extra pins and all. So let me keep this aside for a while. So as you can see, this card looks beautiful. So this is the 1151 LGA socket which supports 8th gen Intel Core processors. Let me open this for you. Yes, so here it goes. So we have 4 DDR4 RAM slots, PCIe Gen 3 Express slot, and I guess this is where the IO ports are. Okay, so we have a dual PS2 slot and 2 USB 2.0 slots. This is the VGA slot and HDMI. Oh, we also have a USB Type-C port here, and USB 3.0, Gen 2 and Gen 1, and LAN port of course, and the audio ports. So this board also has RGB lighting, which is quite spectacular. Apart from that, it has military grade components, which makes this card shear proof, and it makes it more durable, and it's perfect for your extensive gaming session. So that's all. If you have more queries about the product, do drop by your queries at the Facebook page. Link is given in the description down below. In case you're interested in buying the product, you can visit our e-commerce site at mymbd.net. And thanks again, and stay tuned.